The man with a new idea is a crank until the idea succeeds. This quote is attributed to Mark Twain and suggests that people may view those who propose new or unconventional ideas as strange or eccentric, until their ideas are proven successful. It highlights the importance of perseverance and belief in oneself, even in the face of skepticism or criticism. Of all the animals, man is the only one that is cruel. He is the only one that inflicts pain for the pleasure of doing it. This quote is often attributed to British author and philosopher Bertrand Russell. It highlights the idea that humans have the capacity for cruelty, and can inflict pain on others not only out of necessity, but also for pleasure or other selfish reasons. It raises questions about human nature and our ability to act ethically towards other beings. If you don't read the newspaper, you're uninformed. If you read the newspaper, you're misinformed. This quote is attributed to Mark Twain and comments on the reliability and biases of news media. It suggests that being uninformed can be detrimental, but also warns that reading the news can sometimes provide a distorted or inaccurate view of reality. It encourages critical thinking and the importance of seeking out multiple sources of information to form a more accurate understanding of the world.